Video. So I just leave it.
Okay.
And then measure the
Vinegar and egg white.
and then a bit of the vanilla except for the smell one. That's it. It's the you see how the bubble pops?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then roll slowly.
Roll slowly. Sugar.
Yeah. So like this, I adding like 3 times.
3 times.
Yeah. Or you can do like, and then you start
Very,
turning up.
yeah.
And then come back. And then like this. Yeah, just for the for the smell, and then after like 5, you see, and then start high it,
Okay.
and then on it low, adding flour. They change to tiny, and then we start this up, and then we add flour, and then now you adding flour. How much? Follow the recipe. I don't care.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then start with until the flour mix well. You can start all the way up.
Oh.
When you want to drink, when it's ready, when you put up, nothing slip go down. So it stay there. When you touch it like this. If something drop, that means it's not yet. Not if you need to whip more.
Okay.
Don't over whip, but not like that.
Already different. Looks different.
Yeah, like that.
Oh.
So even you lift like
Oh.
this, it's nothing drop.
Okay.
When I pot, I make it like high. So I don't, when it cook, it's gonna be flat a bit. So don't make it flat. Don't want to get the flat shape. So I do like this. And then
Many tips.
when you do a lot, you can do. When you try, give them a space. When you're done, you need to pipe it right away. Can't leave it because when you leave, the sugar can melt and then getting water.
70.
Yeah, around this, and then leave it like
How about this one? No
this
timer?
this one for timer, so we don't need. So we just do like around 4 hours. We come to have a look.
Okay. Oh.
Crab bomb này tôi